Everywhere you go, you like it. Then no sister one we get a finally get a clown and all man. Come on, explain to people about you. What you say you there now? Come on, turn on and talk, man. I make people hear.
Just a foundation. Like a dining room. It's on fast. 2 hours.
2 hours.
Set your record.
One little room. You should have doing a 15 minutes, man. Sweet, eh? You have to go look big stone and pot, you know. That's a set quick. And you know, we're going to turn over, turn it, swing the barrel, and son, you come and sing us, so. Oh, but lower the barrel, man. Lower the barrel. Lower the barrel. You don't need no bucket there. You just swing it up and swing it. You think I run off seat. Look there. So you just dash our barrel there, and you come there, and you come and send the other one. Get more space, yes, sir. So, we are streaming. Welcome to the live stream. So, this is a addition to this house. We're adding a dining room. So we're just doing we do the steel work, digging out of the foundation. So I do the concrete casting, you know. Swing him around. I'm one like an apprentice in this. I want to. I'm a trainer. You know, remember I'm a trainer now. Be a fuck when you do when me not about, you know. Not even remember say me a street. Alright. Don't know construction business. See it? And when you come here, son, God, say, you still can put out one more there again.
Wow.
And I do not need material reach before, you know. It's not take too long. It's not take too long. Same place, so give him same place, and fling you on. Yeah, man.
Yeah, around the family come.
Too much work, but it work out still. See it? I always tell us every man sex and woman different, and I see him result. The fight where you say a man does. See there? Work done. Yeah, that's about the essential thing. You not play around in no time at all. Egg walk. Cause that's some man take your light and twist up the building. That's about not to be messed around. Come on, so now. Right. So we notice some of the casting early morning. Try to beat the sun a low today. It's kind of bleak today. That means the sun not real. And normally the sun will push out already. So even the better.
Like a full road.
Man.
This one here coming. We are set and out here, set you out back. Nasty.
Gully, what that magic me now, man?
Yeah, tell this man I say yo, about 5 years.
Not sure that link.
Oh, one is straight in the blue for. You can broke you back now. I'm going to Montana. I'm going to Montana. You go 1 week and broke you back. You got Ali until I say Mali, sir. You got Mali. You got Mali, sir.
So my line a little bit. So I'm up on this tomorrow.
No, I'm not going to yeah, I'm going to kick out the first. And if you like to do column them, and then go back on that.
Go back on one.
On the building.
Inside that, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, you just want to start this, huh?
Yeah, that's one.
Bring it up.
Pro level and lock. Finish one of them, then thing left. Put it on this again. But you can be window link, tell them I head to belt. So you see that.
Okay. I want to do something on the key hand. Look at this.
That's good. Okay.
Where do you locate it? All provide me estimate Mr. Stream Live. But somebody have a question for them. So where you located, and also provide them with estimate cost for dig foundation and steel up and block up. All right, listen up now. So the first is we hold on, man, talk to people, man. Now listen, man. First thing, we located in St. Catharines, the parish of St. Catherine. Stunting, you cannot get an estimate without we get measurement. Measurement is what produce estimate. No, them have to give you something first. Them have to give you something. Maurice, come back. The foot, hands. Just draw them, both of them. You see none?
Alright, this is the ancestor one. One corner this one.
You have to know the land stays. If a level land,
Yeah, when you can't take a film, you know if a stone, you know if a sand, a whole bunch of something you have to know before you make an estimate. If you land a level, you know, say I did that again. So the person say, 2,000 square feet. All right, during the live, it's hard for we deal with that. So, them things they can follow up after. We follow up with the estimate and things that they come in after. Yeah. Everything leads to something. What's up, man?
No one there. Thump that one there. I can't do that, man.
And one more can thump in the same way. Two more can thump, make it start turn down here.
I call them now. They just short victory.
Mm.
Work it for them, work out it on.
Yeah, man, a simple thing. I mean, we can go so boom bam and do done. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up this live in 5 minutes. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment. Land level, the person said the land is level, not stone land. 8 past 8. Same place, man. Come. Show there again, show 2 more there. So there you go, and go around there down in the corner.
One more bad mix. Okay, 839.
You know I mix too much, you know, when I do next thing. Maurice, I'll give them a run through in our building now.
Man. Stop, man. No.
That's what I'm talking
Yesterday you put your
Drop on the element of bad, man. And you know, tell her that. That's why I try to keep it back. Maurice, ask the person where them locate. First you have to question. Ask them saw them not know, this are their location.
Don't get spokesman.
Eh? No, man, you can't talk. I've been there.
Last day for the woman.
No, really matter, man. You just start and Alright, question Harrison. The land is level, you said. No stone. I said 2,000 square feet. Where this land located? And where are you? Where are you? Yeah, security, I thought the people every day. Say a dog and a dog. A dog, man, in a bed.
Talk to people at morning time.
What? So what difference?
Talk to people at morning
Yeah,
time.
and run now, can't.
Start lyrics and bag
Oh, Westmoreland. Westmoreland, but just want a cast to have an idea. Alright, we can do that after this. A simple thing. Simple thing. Big up Harrison Fort West. Now we go send in some cess. Good cess for we down here, sir. Alright. Anthony, nice work. Appreciate it. Big up everyone. I remember to leave a like, you know. Press the like button for strengthen the thing, you know. The algorithm smile when you do that. Just press a like. And I will answer all of these comments as we go along. Please and thanks. I highly appreciate it.